Bandwidth graphing. Here guys, today I'm going to tell you about Mycotic graphing. Graphing is very important for us. Mycotic graphing is a built-in features with Winbox. You can use it just few clicks on your Winbox. So let's start. To activate your graphing features, you first have to go tools and graphing. You can see the graphing settings. You can see the time settings stored every 5 minutes, and that means graph will generate on average 5 minutes timetable, and this is the default timetable for Mycotic. You can change it. So let's just okay. You can see the interface rules. In the interface rules, you can set graphing for routers every physical or logical interface. So start it and add button. You can see the interface, and I'm clicking on it. You can see my logical or physical every interface in there. You can set it for graphing for your all interface, or you can set it for only for your specific any interface. I am setting it for my all interface, and you can set your allowed address, from which address you want to restrict to view your graphing, and always check the store on disk. That means router will save the graph data on router store disk, and check it in, and I can leave it for default IP. That means I'm allowing it for all IP address. Apply. Okay. Next, queue rules. In the queue rules, you can set the QE graphing, and that means if you set any QE rules on your router, you can see the rules bandwidth activities on QE rules graphing. To add it, just add, and simple QE, select the all or any specific QE rules, and available for any specific interface, or leave it for all IP address. Just check the boxes and okay. Resource rules. In the resource rules, you can set graphing for router CPU, router memory, and to set the resource rules, you just allow add and allow address, and this is just default, and I'm leave it for on default. Apply. Okay. And the next tabs are just for status, and that's it. Now you can check the graphing rules. To set the graphing, to see the graphing, you have to go to your router's login IP address or any gateway IP address which you are using in your LAN subnet. My gateway or login address is 172.168.19.1. This is my gateway, and this is also my router's login IP. Now I'm going to my browser, and I am putting 17.19.1 and enter. You can see the Winbox telnet or graphs tabs. There is no password need for see your graphing. Just click on the graphs, and you can see the graphs interface graphs and QE graphs or resource graphs are on there. Now I'm clicking my LAN bridge interface. The graph will generate for every 5 minutes interval. There is no graph still now generated. One thing you should know, when you are in LAN and you want to see your LAN graph, you can see the two types of graphs color are generated. One in green and one is blue. When you are in a LAN interface, the out or blue graph for your download graph, or green colored graphs are for upload. You have to memorize it for when you are in LAN. When you are seeing your LAN interface graph, blue is your download and green is your upload. And now I'm going to my interface, ISP interface, my WAN interface. The interface, ISP interface, it is totally opposite on your LAN. In the ISP interface, green colored graphs are for your download graph and blue colored graphs for your upload graph. You can see the CPU memory. CPU uses average there are 4 types of graphs are generated: 5 minutes average, weekly and monthly and yearly. In the 5 minutes average, you can see the 5 minutes average CPU uses on this graph, and after that weekly, monthly and yearly. You can also see the any QE which you are using on your router. For every QE you can see the graphs for your QE bandwidth uses. That's all. You can generate your MikroTik graph in this way. Thank you everybody. Please hit the subscribe button.